Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be sharing what changed after Shambhavi initiation for me. So I had started my spiritual path a little before I started with Isha Kriya and inner energy. So in the beginning I was doing breathing exercises with Wim Hof. Then I did some normal meditations without any breathing or anything. After that I got to know about Isha. In between also I was trying and practicing other breathing techniques and meditations to help me have this this flow that I have right now. So after that I got to know about Isha Kriya, and that I did for I think 1 year straight. I did it every day, every morning. I tried to do it in the evening as well, but morning was definitely happening every time. And with Isha Kriya only I could feel this flow in my body which was naturally flowing, and the too much of ups and downs, these will come anyway in your life, but at least there was still, what is that, like kind of a speed breaker, so it doesn't go like this. So it really helped me with a bit of speed control in these ups and downs. And after Shambhavi, after the initiation, this experience has been polished even further. So now there is kind of a balance. Like, I wouldn't lie, there is a balance. Earlier I would get angry very quick and it would stay. Now the anger also takes time and it doesn't stay, it comes back. And I always have the key. My key is Shambhavi. So if there are in case ups and downs, then I can always do my practices for a little bit. So I mean, there are people who ask on YouTube whether why people don't share the Kriya just like that on YouTube. But if you don't wish to spend money right now, start with Isha Kriya, but do the practice Shambhavi as well as Surya Kriya from the experts themselves, like from the Isha Hatha Yoga teachers or Sadhguru with the initiations. And yeah, I mean, this is an investment on yourself. Like, this is what I tell. There was a person who asked where he can find Surya Kriya online. So I was like, I would suggest that you learn it from the experts themselves. Other than that, we're not allowed to share the experience, the practice. So, because these things are your asset, they are your absolute asset which is within you. Like, people cannot even take it away from you. So this initiation, this Kriya is your asset, and I would suggest that you save up some money and make this happen, because it's an asset. Like, after 6-7 months of doing it every day and seeing the change within myself, this sense of, I mean, I wouldn't lie, I still have ups and downs. All these things happen to us anyway. This is life, it will, it is clearing out your karma, or however you want to look at it. But it definitely helps. And it has changed altogether. Although with Isha Kriya, I had started to see the change within myself. But with Shambhavi, it's been totally another world that has opened up. So yeah. If you're thinking about it, you should go for it. It's an asset within yourself. Nobody is going to, take it away from you ever. And once you get the taste of it, once you do your 40-day mandala of morning, evening, then there's no, it's not happening that, it will go away from your life. Of course, you have to have that respect and sense of, sense of longing for it as well. But then, yeah, go for it. It's an asset, and it has really helped me with my everyday life, for sure, without a doubt. So, thinking about it, go for it. If you like this video, or if you have any question, to comment below. And I'm sorry, this is my morning face and my lips are really dry right now. And thanks a lot for watching. Namaskara.